If you're using Pinterest to promote your affiliate link products, you need to start tagging them directly on your pins. Most creators are still dropping the links in the description, but there's a feature inside of Pinterest and lets you tag the product or products inside of images itself. And it makes it way easier for people to shop it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. It takes less than 2 minutes and you can do it for any kind of affiliate link you use from any platform. I tested this with multiple affiliate programs, and this is the exact method that I use for my own Pinterest pin, including staying compliant with FTC rules, which most tutorials actually skip. Okay, so the first step is simply to go create a pin, just the normal way you normally do any pin. So just go to Pinterest, upload your pin, and insert your title and description. And if you want, you can add your website or blog URL. You don't need to even add a link, you can simply tag your product. So just do everything as normal, and then we're gonna select the product now. You will see now a bottom that say tag products, so just click on it. A panel will open, click the plus button, and from the options select use a link. Now all you have to do is paste your affiliate link here, and Pinterest will show you some options of photos that it's gonna find in the page that you're just adding. So simply select the photo that you want for your product, and you can use the link for any affiliate marketing platform. You can use Amazon, LTK, you can use Impact. Any platform will work here as long as you have your affiliate link ready to paste here. Now this part is key. Once your product is selected, make sure to check the box that's marked as an affiliate link, so you stay compliant with both Pinterest policies and also with FTC rules. And don't skip this step. And just in case, I usually also write on my pin description that it's an affiliate link, because sometimes I already faced some Pinterest bugs where the paid link wasn't showing once you publish the pin. So just to be sure, I also usually write on my pin description that this is an affiliate link. So that's it. Now you're just simply gonna publish your pin or schedule it as normal. Your pin is now shoppable. Once you publish it, the product tags shows directly from the image. Yes, it's this easy and simply less than 2 minutes. By the way, if you want to learn more about how your Pinterest pins can get more traffic to your website and to your products, make sure to download my free Pinterest Growth Blueprint Guide. The link will be in the description, and in the pinned comment you're gonna find my proven steps on how to grow on Pinterest. Now, if you have an Amazon front store, there's something new that you can connect your account officially inside of Pinterest with your Amazon front store. So if you want to do this, make sure to watch this next video where I'll show you step by step how to connect your Amazon front store to your Pinterest profile.